This is the letter A, which makes the ah sound. The words cat and rat have the ah sound in the middle. Can you hear the ah in cat?
This is the letter A. The letter A makes the ah sound. Some words like rat have the ah sound. In the middle, tap the letter A and the rat to hear the ah sound.
Rat.
Awesome! All of these things have the ah sound. In the middle, tap them all and listen to the ah sound. In the middle.
Stamp. Cat. Van. Bag.
Cool beans. Drag the things with the ah sound. In the middle to hollow.
Rat. Egg. Ram.
Yay! You found the things with the ah sound. In the middle. Drag the things with the ah sound.
Rat.
In the middle to Sandy.
Stamp.
Yay! You found the things with the ah sound.